What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be looking back into SOLPUMP. Now, SOLPUMP actually added more games, and there's a new game coming very soon called Jackpot. So in the last video, we actually took our 1 Sol and we flipped it into 2 Sol. We did that through coin flip and blackjack. Okay, so I wanted to say, for everybody who does use the link in the description, you guys are going to be able to get these daily cases as well as cashback, and these daily cases are completely free to open every single day, so you don't even really need to deposit any Sol into your account to be getting these daily cases. If you do use code LEX, then you're going to get some nice bonuses of up to 1.2k when you do use the platform, guys. So you can do demos, and the more that you do use the site, the better odds you're going to be getting to get more Sol or higher rewards, right? So you can see here, you can get 10 Sol, but it's basically a lottery ticket, guys. You're most likely going to be getting this SOLPUMP token, which you can hold as it's tradable on Solana, or you could just sell that for Solana as well. So if we opened our free case, let's see what we get today. Put a little bit of sound on. Probably going to be a SOLPUMP coin. And look, we were about halfway away from 2.5 Sol, which would have been really nice, but doesn't matter. It goes into our reward section there, guys. And what you can do is you can actually go and play these games. You could sell your SOLPUMP, put it as Solana, so say it's like 88 cents or whatever. And if you wanted to play one of these games, you can play these games for ridiculously cheap, all right? I think the minimum bet, let's have a look. So we could do 0.001 Solana. If you guys are balling on a budget, again, you'd have to connect to your Phantom wallet or whatever Solana wallet you're using, maybe Solflare as well. And then confirm that, and you guys are going to be able to try and double your Sol stack, right? So last time we did really well, right? Can I double my Sol stack today? 13, we hit again, and we bust, right? So that's why on the first one, we always do a bit of a smaller bet, guys. Okay, so we can place that bet again, confirm. We could also trade this into our Insta wallet, so you don't need to confirm the transaction every single time. We'll stand that. I bet it's going to be a 20. It's not. There we go. We won. So again, really cool. It's a really cool platform, guys. Super easy and super user friendly. So if you guys, have hundreds to bet, or you have, I don't know, maybe only a few dollars to bet, then you're going to be able to use these platforms. And what you could also do is you could put some of these side bets on, right? So we could do 001 there, and then we could do, I don't know, 0.01 there, and then that's going to be a 25 cent. There we go. We confirm that. Someone wanted to join our table with us. Oh, you're going to get anything? Oh, we got a flush, and that's a 5x. Not bad. So we can stand that against a free 17. Doesn't matter, but we still got a 5x on one of our side bets, which is really cool. Okay, so I want to play alone, don't want to play with these guys. Actually, what we'll do is we'll go to coin flip, do a couple coin flips. You can create your own flips on here as well. So you could create it against one of these bots. Go here, create a flip. We'll choose the Solana side. Confirm that there. And then if no one comes and wants to flip against you, then you could just call a bot. Right, it's only an 8 cent flip. In the last one, we were doing much bigger bets, but today was just to show you guys the platform. And we lost, okay? Doesn't really matter. We can recreate that. Again, we can double down and we can say, you know what? Let's call our bot. It has to be Solana now. And there you go, guys. All right. So that's just a quick one on the SOLPUMP platform, guys. You've got the airdrop here as well, so you can contribute to this airdrop. Currently, so far, we've got $7 going to be allocated to one person guys, and every 42 or every 1 hour this thing is going to be reset. Okay, so sometimes I've seen these things get up to like 1 Sol, 2 Sol, depending how much people want to tip. I think the more that you tip, the higher likelihood you are to get the airdrop, guys. So that's just a quick one on SOLPUMP today. Remember, go and check out the link in the description to get your free daily case, your cashback, and then be able to hold some of this SOLPUMP here as well, which you can then claim, right? So far, I've claimed 68 SOLPUMP in 3 cases, and I've wagered about 7 Solana right now. So down 2% over the past 24 hours. All-time SOLPUMP has been doing pretty well, guys, right? So steady climb. Over the course of the past few months, maybe like 9 months now, SOLPUMP's been doing pretty well, guys. So again, that's it. Quick one from me to you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.